Katkum ke kerua Menteri Gikam Pdeng ke Sorkar Pdeng ubadeiru usong Conrad Jong ke Official Language Committee Amit Shah laong baki jela hagatan cetela mingi kila menjur ban Pynlong ya ke Hindi kum ke subjek ke berkongsan haduk kelas ke bersipau. Aga bedai berkenia Menteri dang bak ke jelau Conrad Sangma ulah Pdiang ya kenu ke Jingai Jingmut ban Pynlong ya ke tian Hindi kum ke subjek ke berkongsan haga jela haga bau laong baya kum kini ke Jingai Jingmut dei ban le kum ju ru ya ke tian tenrai. Ula ong ba ka jingnang ya ka ketien Hindi kan pli ya shibun kilat kilenti haba pai shika pertai berok kawai ka ketien pareng ka long ka badon kam haba trei ya kanu ka kam kumju ru haba pai ha kari ka ketien Hindi ka dei ka bala keren salon sar ha ka wai pat kaliang ula kentat ya ka jingyo Pdiang ya kanu ka jingtho halo ka ni naga Sorkar Pdeng.
The benefit of learning Hindi, English also as an English language. I don't see any reason why learning a new language, whether it's Hindi, whether it's English, or whether it's Japanese, is not a bad thing at all. It is something that is positive, and I feel that I'm not saying about Hindi alone. I'm talking about learning a language. I think language learning is something that gives you accessibility. When it comes to national level, we need to realize that Hindi is the largest spoken in one way language throughout the country.
Kalalong ka jingsuk ya kinong